Alright guys, so today in pre-calc we're going to be talking about modeling real-world data with linear functions. So this is kind of a little bit of statistics but with some slope and point slope mixed in there. So if you're given your data set and you use some formulas, let's say that, they look pretty close. The regression, the R is pretty close to 1. It's like 0.95 or close to 1 that way. What you can do is you can just kind of cheat a little bit to find the line of best fit that fits in between them, and you can use point slope form to actually get there. So what you need to do is you need to be able to you need to use slope. So you have to remember that slope is the change in y's divided by the change in x's. Okay, so that one's pretty simple. So once you find that slope, then you put it into point slope form. Y minus y1 equals, I don't know why I always hit that equal sign when I'm meaning to type that, equals slope times parentheses x minus x1, and that's just any point on your line that you can actually calculate. And you can actually get a pretty darn good calculation of it. Now, if you're using a TI-80 calculator and you want to find a correlation now, and you want to find the goodness of fit or how good the line fits it and stuff, you can use the Pearson product moment correlation in your graphing calculator to get there. So in other words, in your calculator, you're going to go to your stat button. Stat button, okay, and you're going to go to edit, and then you're going to choose L1 to make a new list. Okay. Alright, so you're probably going to edit L1, L2 to make a new list of numbers so that you have a bivariate type of data set. Okay, then you're going to use the linear regression in the calculator. So once again, you're going to probably press stat. I keep hitting the wrong button. Stat, and then you go to calc, and then you go to linear regression, and then you put in your L1 numbers to work with it. Okay, so you just put your list of numbers from L1 and L2 in there, and it should help out. Okay. Alright, now this first step will actually help you set it up, and you could also graph a scatter plot from that. This one, you can graph the line of best fit on top of this scatter plot right here. Okay. Alright. And when you guys are doing that, it's just some really easy stuff to just work with. Only do it when they ask for regression or line of best fit type thing. But if they're just asking for general equation for prediction of future numbers, you feel free to just totally use slope and point slope form. It just helps out immensely. Okay? Alright, you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you later.